Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation, today I want to talk to you about the death penalty. And what brought this to light is there are national cases that are going on right now that the death penalty may or may not be in play, including Tyler Robinson, who assassinated Charlie Kirk. And the Cincinnati Enquirer here in the Cincinnati area, beginning on Sunday, has ran a series of articles relative to Ohio and the death penalty. I want to first tell all of you my personal opinion about the death penalty. I believe there should be more death penalty. I'm someone who believes that there are crimes that are committed that are so heinous that you have to have the death penalty. I'm someone who believes the death penalty is a deterrent as well. However, my big reason for wanting more death penalty is I do not understand at all the sentencing of life imprisonment. I don't get it. To me, it defies all logic, rationale, and reason. That if you do something that you should be locked up forever, my argument is, what's the point? What's the point? What's the point for society? What's the point for the taxpayer? It's ridiculous. I'm somebody who advocates that there should be like 20-year sentences for the people that do something really, really bad, and then the death penalty. That's what I believe. But regardless of how you feel about the death penalty, the entire legal system, the lawyers in this country, the judges in this country have let down us. Why have they let down us? Because of the pathetic games that are played with the death penalty. If a state decides not to have a death penalty, that's their prerogative. But if a state has the death penalty, then there needs to be a death penalty. Ohio is an example of a state that allows the death penalty appeal process to go on and on and on and on, as does Kentucky. Currently, there's someone on death row that Russell Coleman, the Attorney General, is trying to get Andy Beshear to issue the execution warrant. But here's the problem. Why, if someone receives the death penalty from a jury and from a judge, why should it take 5 years, 10 years, 20 years for the appellate process to go forth? It's absurd. It's wrong. It shouldn't be that way. And once again, this is another example, and this is going to be a theme in all these videos that I'm going to do, how the legal system and the lawyers are moronic. No one can ever justify to average Joes and Janes in America that is the way it should be. That the appeal process should run on and on and on and on. It shouldn't be that. Who can solve it? U.S. Supreme Court can solve it. Do they do it? Nope. State Supreme Court judges can solve it. Do they do it? Nope. It's unbelievable. The death penalty needs to be real. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. I hope you have a great day.